I want to share my new morning routine with you. Since I'm in my own apartment, it feels like I finally get to do things my way. So I want to share how I get ready in the morning, how I start my day. I recently just watched Janae Aiko's morning routine and it really inspired me to do this. And this video is made possible by Clarins, so thank you so much to Clarins for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna share some of their products with you that I've been using recently. Right now it's about 11 o'clock, which is a pretty late start. I usually start my day sometime between 8:30 and 11 because I am a huge night owl. I actually don't sleep until about anywhere between 2 and 3:30 in the morning, and I've been trying to get on a better sleeping schedule, a normal sleeping schedule, but so far this is just what I've been ending up doing, is sleeping late and waking up a little bit later. I don't think that's very good for my circadian rhythm, so I'm trying to be better at that. I have 3 alarms in the morning that go off at 8, at 9, and 10. Usually that's when my dog Cody will wake up, or he'll start like making movement. He likes to sleep in the living room most of the time. He doesn't sleep in the same room that I do usually, but once he hears the alarm going off or hears that I'm awake, he's like, oh, she's alive, I can be let out now. So I actually let him out much earlier this morning. After my alarm goes off, at a certain point I pick up my phone and just kind of browse through Instagram, browse through my notifications, check my email. I know some people don't like to do that, but for me it's how I kind of wake up my brain in a very steady manner, you know, kind of stimulate it to get it going and to wake up a bit. So I do go on my phone. And now here we are. So I'm gonna get my day started now. So I've been trying this new thing out. It's called making my bed. I used to never make my bed. I thought it was so pointless, but now I love making my bed because I love going to sleep in it when it's nice and clean. Then I'll head to the bathroom where I brush my teeth, wash my face, and do my skincare routine. After I'm all done in the bathroom, I come back to my dresser, which is where I do my makeup. All my brushes are out here, my products that I use every day. I like doing a light makeup when I have time, even if I'm staying home or just running errands, because it helps me feel more awake and more productive. First, I'm gonna start off by hydrating my lips. I have really dry lips and I don't think I've been drinking enough water recently. I'm gonna use this one from Clarins. This is their Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil. I really love this oil. It just provides instant hydration and makes my lips feel super comfortable. It has hazelnut and jojoba oil in it. This is in the raspberry shade and flavor. It's pretty thick, very glossy, and I've been using this to prep my lips before I do any kind of makeup so that it's kind of primed and ready for the lip color that's to come later on. I just love it. It's so comfortable, and the doe foot applicator is nice and thick, and it's really soft. So when I apply it, I like to sometimes glide it on multiple times because it just feels so good. Next, I'm going to prime my face. I already did my skincare and my sunscreen. If you guys want a skincare routine, I uploaded one not too long ago, but if you want an updated one, then just let me know. Clarins has a lot of primers that you can choose from, and I love the pastel colors of these. So I have 6 different ones. All of them target a different concern. You can again use it as your primer. You can mix it in with your foundation. You can also use it to color correct certain areas. You can mix and match these on your face, which is what I'm gonna do today because I have a few different concerns I want to target. These are super lightweight. They don't feel heavy or thick, and they're just really comfortable underneath my foundation. If you just want a no fuss primer, I would recommend their 00 Universal Light Primer. It's just overall brightens up your skin and gives you a radiant glow. For today, I'm gonna use these 2 primers. This one is 05 Lavender and this one is 04 Green. The Lavender one is supposed to help with sallowness, which I feel like I've been having, especially around this eye area. And the green one, I'm just gonna use around this area. I got a few breakouts, some redness. So here is the lavender one. I'm gonna put this around the deeper parts of my face, which is underneath the eyes. And then this is the green primer. I'm gonna put that around my nose and mouth area. I'm gonna be a little bit extra and use one more primer. I'm gonna use the peach one. This is supposed to help with uneven skin tone and any imperfections. So I'm gonna use this around the rest of my face. Now I'm just going to blend it all in. It feels super nice and velvety, and I feel like it already makes my skin look a lot more awake. And I feel like if you wanted to, you could just get away with using the primers for the day and no foundation. I'm still gonna use foundation. The weather in LA has been really weird recently. It's been kind of cloudy. It's rained a couple times in the past 2 weeks. And usually around this time of the year, it's really hot already. Now I'm just filling in my brows really quickly. Just some light color on the cheeks. My base is all done and complete. Next, I'm actually going to apply mascara. This is Clarins Supra Volume Mascara, and I actually don't use mascara very often, but I'm going to give this one a try. This mascara contains cassie flower wax, which is supposed to help thicken and strengthen your lashes. I get real close because my mirror is right here. Wow. Maybe I'll go back to using mascara. I don't have a lot of lashes to work with, but this is actually really pretty. Wow, I really like that. You guys got my first impression of the mascara. I really like it. It helps darken and thicken the lash line, and I feel like it just opens up my eyes a lot more. I'm gonna do my lip color now. This is Clarins Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector. It is a sheer tint. I'll do a swatch for you guys. This color is just right up my alley. I love this like nude kind of pinky shade. It's just really great for every day. And this is in the shade number 6. This has a vanilla scent to it. And I usually don't like vanilla scents, but this one I didn't mind at all. I actually really like how it smells, and it just really plumps up the lips. I freaking love it. Oh, I really love this like fresh-faced look. I feel so much more awake. I'm going to set my makeup with Clarins Fix Makeup Spray. Long-lasting makeup hold, hydrates, refreshes, and soothes. I love the packaging and the bottle. It's so pretty. You can use this to set your makeup or to refresh your face throughout the day. This contains grapefruit. It also has a rose scent to it. I love the smell of roses. I grew up with, at my family home, like my mom had these giant rose bushes, and they're not there anymore, which makes me really sad, but I grew up like looking at them, watching them, admiring them, so I really love roses. I love the spray. It comes off really lightly and I feel so pretty. Oh, such a far cry from this morning. Last night I was so tired. I accidentally fell asleep at 3:30, didn't shower, didn't wash my face. I woke up a complete mess this morning. I mean, you guys saw, but now I feel a lot better. All of the Clarins products I use today are part of their Makeup Heroes collection. They all contain plant ingredients and help to bring out your natural beauty, giving an instant payoff. And I truly feel that with the primers because it just really helped to illuminate and radiate my skin right after I used it. And I love the lip oil. It is my favorite product from the collection. It's just so soothing and comfortable and hydrating. It's just a huge favorite of mine. If I had to pick one, that's the one I would pick. If you guys want to shop or learn more for yourself, then I will leave all the links down below, of course. And I just want to thank Clarins again for sponsoring this video, and thank you to you guys because this wouldn't be possible without you. Now, I'm going to get on with the rest of my day and make myself some, at this point it's lunch. It's not breakfast, it's lunch. Welcome to my kitchen. For lunch today, I'm going to make avocado toast. And that's it for my morning routine. After I'm done eating, I will usually just go film or edit or go run some errands, just get on with the rest of my day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and getting a little peek into my life. Let me know what you guys have to get done in the morning. Like, you have to do it or else your day is just wrecked. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!